We're back with our On the Job series where we bring you opportunities from Rhode Island employers. This week, we're speaking with Nina Panday, Executive Director at Skills for Rhode Island's Future, about the upcoming Health and Human Services Career Day event. Welcome, Nina. Before we get to the upcoming event, can you remind us again what SkillsRI does?
Certainly, Kate. Good morning, first of all. Skills for Rhode Island's Future is an economic development agency that focuses on workforce development and educational career pathways for students or adult job seekers. And I'm really excited to be here with you today to talk to you about the Health and Human Service Career Day event.
Yeah, so tell us exactly what this Health and Human Services event entails.
So it's brought to us by the state of Rhode Island. The governor and the members of the General Assembly are really making a concerted effort to get folks inspired to go into what we call caring careers. So careers in the healthcare industry, human service industry, really wanting to make sure that our hospitals and different facilities around the state have the talent that they need. And so Saturday on April 1st, we're actually hosting a day-long event to expose folks to the different career opportunities that exist in our health and human service industry. We're working very closely with the Department of Labor and Training, as well as the Executive Office of Health and Human Services, to bring together over 35 vendors and have folks experience what it's like to work in the health and human service industry fair.
Wow, that's incredible. So for our viewers, what kind of jobs exactly fall under the Health and Human Services field?
Everything. We have all different types of medical roles, from clinical roles to paraprofessional roles, and in the human service space, anything with behavioral health, as well as working with children, elderly. We have over 30 employer partners who will be front and centered, anchored by Lifespan and Care New England. And between all of our employer partners, there's well over 2,000 jobs that are available here in the state of Rhode Island. And what better career can you go into than actually make caring part of your career?
So who would be qualified to attend this event?
We have two specific tracks. We have a track that's really geared towards students, where they'll actually go through real situations and simulations and skills labs so that they can see firsthand what it's like to work in the industry. The students, the doors open for students at 8:30 a.m., and they'll go through these series of learnings. And then for our adult job seekers who are really interested in talking to employer partners for the jobs, we're opening our doors for them at 11 a.m. So students as well as adult career seekers.
All right, excellent information there. We've been seeing on the bottom of our screen how people can go online to register. So thank you, Nina. We'll be back at 8:45 to discuss more about this Health and Human Services event.
Thank you, Kate.
Earlier this morning, we were on the job with Nina Panday, Executive Director at Skills for Rhode Island, to discuss the upcoming Health and Human Services Career Day taking place on April 1st at the Rhode Island Nursing Education Center. So welcome back, Nina. Can you please remind us about the details of the event?
Absolutely. So this Saturday, April 1st, we'll be hosting a Health and Human Service Career Day event, as you've mentioned, and it's really designed to inspire folks to go into the health and human service field. We'll be running simulations of what it's like to work in the medical field. We'll be having career talks with experts who can help guide people who are interested in launching their career in the industry.
So it seems like it's a pretty big field. What kind of employers, institutes of higher ed, and training providers can Rhode Islanders expect to see at the event?
So Lifespan and Care New England, two of our largest employers here in the state of Rhode Island, are our anchor employers, and we'll be in full force interviewing on the spot. But we also have our colleges and universities and training providers, Rhode Island College, Community College of Rhode Island, Johnson & Wales University, pretty much any educational institution that offers career pathway and training for the health and human service industry. And in addition to Lifespan and Care New England, we have 22 other employer partners who will be there, again, offering interviews on site. And I just want to remind folks who might be new to the career, new to the industry, we do have career panelists who will really help guide folks in their choices as they're launching their career in health and human services.
Okay, so the whole day is timed out. What are the logistics of the day for people who want to go?
The most important thing to do is to register in advance. We have multiple tracks. It's a big conference. We have tracks that are specifically designed for students. So those who are graduating from high school or recently graduated from college, who are interested in kickstarting their career. Again, you'll be able to meet with folks. You'll be able to see what it's like to work in these different industries. That starts right at the top of the conference sessions at 8:30 in the morning. Sessions will begin at 9. And then if you're an adult career changer or looking for a job, we're asking you to come in around 11 a.m. You'll be able to meet with employer partners, training providers, and also be able to take advantage of some of the career talks.
All right, so if people want to register, they can go to skillsforri.com/health that we see at the bottom of our screen. We also see the phone number there, 401-680-5960. Thank you so much, Nina, for joining us today, and good luck at the Career Day.
Thank you, Kate.